Hey, good morning, guys, team leaders. I wanted to make a quick video to show you how in Planning Center to schedule people for upcoming weeks so that you can start doing this on your own. Right off the bat, though, just want to say thanks so much for the way that you're serving River City Church, and thanks so much just from me for stepping up to lead, not only to make weekend services happen, but to see this as an avenue to develop other leaders, to be developed as a leader. I'm really thankful that you're doing it. And yeah, it's just a way that I see the Holy Spirit working to make you guys look more like Jesus so that you can, in turn, be helping other people lean into what God is doing in their lives. When you log into Planning Center, this is where you're going to be most likely, is in this plans section, kind of this view. If for some reason you're not here when you log in, all you need to do is click plans up here, and that should be the page that loads. So let's go ahead and jump into a plan. And show you how to schedule people. So if we click on October 21st here, because I've set up a bunch of plans into the future. For me, it took me right to the People tab, but that might be just because it's the last time I was here. You might come in and see this, which is the order service. You want to click the People section over here. Don't click this. This will jump you to something different. Click People right here, and you'll be able to see kind of the needs for your team for the week. You're only worrying about scheduling your team. And so let's just use hospitality as an example. All you need to do these is you're going to click on the person needed section, and that will load up a list of who can fill that role. We may have to make some adjustments to who are on what teams. I'm still kind of organizing some of that, but you click them, click accept down there, and that's going to schedule that person in. Similar thing for the other members of that team. We click, and then we can just go through and choose who we would want to serve for these weeks. Click accept. After you do this is really important. After you've scheduled out your team, in order to confirm this and make emails and notifications go out, you have to go over here and hit this email button. This is when you've just, like, your team is ready. You're ready to send this. You're going to go in here, hit the email button. You'd hit accept here. It's going to bring up this form email here. It'll show you who it's going to up above. It'll load here in a second and show you what the email is going to look like. And then when you're ready to send that email, which you can just use this template here, it'll have all the stuff that it needs in it for them to click to accept it. You can add a note to this if you wanted to add, like, hi, how are you, or whatever. And then you would hit send. I'm not going to do this because I don't know that this is who Troy wants to schedule for this first week. If you make a mistake, also pretty simple. All you need to do is go in and hit that minus. It'll ask you to confirm, and it'll take people off of there. So pretty simple the way that works. As new people get added on your team, I will kind of be the administrator Planning Center for right now. Make sure that they get added in as they apply to serve. And things like that. If you ever need to adjust the amount of people that you need for a week, let me know and I can adjust that for you or show you how. Really easy to navigate up here. You can just click through to the next week and it will load the next week for you. The other thing you can do is you can hit this matrix button here, and it'll show you how many plans do you want. We're just going to tell it to do the default. We want to see 5 weeks at a time. And you see when we get in here, I can actually see then in these different folders, I could kind of work on multiple weeks in this section. Again, then the email button moves up here to email these people. So that's how that works. That's just a basic overview of how to schedule people in Planning Center. If you have questions, let me know and I'll try and help you out with it. But thanks again.